Halloween, what wicked problems are you trying to solve? Are they creepy? How do you solve problems? Tossing a coin? I know, looking at a magic 8-ball. Probably not the best ways to solve problems. Today, I'm going to give you 5 steps in 5 minutes on how to solve your wicked questions. This is based on the great work of Dr. Gail Funke. First, make sure you're solving the right problem. Einstein said, if the world were coming to an end in 1 minute, I would spend 59 seconds formulating the right question and 1 second answering it. That's what we need to do. We need to take a look at what the true problem is, getting to the root cause, digging deeper. A true problem statement describes an unfavorable condition that prevents a goal or objective from being achieved. So we need to think about what is the defect, what's the magnitude of our problem, where is this happening, and how important is it? Our wicked question I'm going to give you today is, I need to reduce my operating cost by 30% in fiscal year 15, all the while keeping my quality customer service scores up in the 95th percentile at our Fredericksburg regional office. Wow, that is a lot going on in that problem statement. But as you see, it describes the defect, budgets are tight this year, the magnitude, the location here in Fredericksburg, and how important it is. 2 opposite ends of the spectrum that we have to solve for makes it really wicked and scary. So the second step, I say, is pinpoint your key stakeholders. And stakeholders come in lots of different forms. They can be customers, they can be stockholders, employees, suppliers, or colleagues, or any combination of any of these. We need to figure out who is the group that's going to be impacted by this problem when you describe it. Third step, we need to analyze the issues. Looking at issues from all different angles is very important. Profiling those stakeholders. What resources do we have to put toward this problem? What are the perceptions of these stakeholders that we identified back in step 2? What communication needs do we have? What's our culture like? How do we do business that this can fit in? Or do we need to change a piece of our culture? What's the environment? And how does the issue and the problem fit into our overall strategy for our organization? The fourth step is get a group together and brainstorm solutions. This is where you want to put your creativity hat on. Think about some ways that you can overcome this problem as you think about steps 2 and 3 and how you analyze them. Once you have that solution or solutions in place, test them. Try it out. Test your plan, whether it be by a small pilot, getting folks in the room and asking their opinion, talking to a third party about it, soliciting their ideas around the solution, presenting the solution to your supervisor and getting input that way, hosting a focus group with some of these key stakeholders you've pinpointed in step 2 to see how they feel about your solution. And finally, we all need good colleagues and peers that are trusted that we can run our ideas by. Well, I'm hoping that these 5 steps in 5 minutes will help you this Halloween with any of your treacherous, big, scary problems that you're trying to solve in your organization. I'm Kara Parker with C. Parker Consulting, and this has been our C-Series.